Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Bitstamp. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, some of the best wallets you can use, and so much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Bitstamp is a secure centralized exchange with more than 4 million clients from over 100 countries worldwide, with its head office based in the United States. This exchange was founded in 2011 by Damijan Merlak and Neds Kodrij, and is a beginner-friendly exchange that offers a mobile application and a professional-level exchange. Bitstamp offers dozens of the most popular cryptocurrencies with high liquidity and no trading fees. It is one of the safest crypto exchanges globally and has payment licenses across Europe and New York. Bitstamp is also audited on a regular basis, and 98% of assets are stored offline, making it one of the most trusted exchanges. Bitstamp's spot exchange currently offers more than 70 of the most popular and most liquid cryptocurrencies in the market, including tokens such as Tether, USD Coin, Bitcoin, Polkadot, Polygon, and many others. You can view live price feeds and spreads from the markets page, and once you have opened an account, you can easily buy cryptocurrencies directly from this page. With Bitstamp, you can trade tokens and altcoins from DeFi, earning protocols, crypto games, NFTs, stablecoins, and the Metaverse. The Bitstamp Mobile application is beginner-friendly and offers a wide range of analytical tools, order books, and real-time charts. There are 4 order types that you can use to manage your risks, and you can choose between simple and advanced interfaces. You can easily send and receive crypto from your Bitstamp account using the mobile application, and the live price widget can be used to monitor prices at any time, anywhere. The Bitstamp application can be secured using fingerprint and facial recognition, and offers a secure built-in mobile wallet that you can use to store more than 75 cryptocurrencies. To download the mobile application, simply click on the Mobile App tab and choose either to download it from Google Play or the Apple App Store. There is also an option for the Huawei App Gallery. Bitstamp also offers a professional exchange with a more advanced interface and tools for experienced traders. The Pro Exchange has more order types and can be used for any type of strategy. This application offers sophisticated charts for in-depth market analysis and research functionality. It has API connectivity and real-time data streams 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, making it one of the most stable and fastest exchanges in the industry. The professional exchange can be used as both a web exchange and a mobile application, and you can download it by clicking on the Pro Traders tab. You can also stake your tokens and earn more with Bitstamp Earn. At the time of making this video, you can currently stake Ethereum 2.0 and Algorand tokens. But more tokens are coming soon, so keep an eye on the staking page for more information about what other cryptocurrencies will be released on the platform. We also recommend reading through the Bitstamp blog for updates on company news and expert insights into cryptocurrency trading, altcoins, and blockchains. You can store your cryptocurrencies in your Bitstamp account. However, besides their mobile wallet, Bitstamp does not currently provide their own proprietary wallet, so we would recommend transferring your assets to a third-party wallet. Some of the best third-party wallets you can use include Trust Wallet, Ledger, or the Atomic Wallet. Trust Wallet is free to download and use. This wallet supports a total of more than 160,000 coins and digital assets, which can easily be traded and managed directly from the wallet. Trust Wallet is a great option if you will be collecting NFTs, because you can store them in this wallet. The Ledger hardware wallet is available in the Nano S and Nano X models, and using Ledger Live, you can buy and exchange over 5,000 coins and tokens. This wallet offers secure offline storage. It is compatible with 50 third-party wallets and can store up to 100 decentralized applications. Atomic Wallet is free to use and beginner-friendly, and offers multi-currency support for more than 300 cryptocurrencies that can be traded using the built-in exchange. This wallet is trusted by more than 4 million users worldwide, and it can also be used for staking. You can easily create an account with Bitstamp in a few easy steps. Firstly, launch the Bitstamp homepage, and then click on the Get Started button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. If you were referred by a friend, be sure to enter the referral code in the designated field provided. Next, verify your email address and account, and don't forget to submit any necessary documentation. Once your account is verified and approved, you can make your first deposit and start trading. You can buy crypto instantly with Bitstamp using your debit or credit card, and this option is available worldwide. Credit cards that are accepted include Visa cards, MaestroCard, and MasterCard. Deposits and withdrawals are instant, and you can withdraw funds directly to your bank account. So what do we like about Bitstamp? Bitstamp is the first and only crypto exchange to offer 100% zero-fee trading on all coins, and most major cryptocurrencies can be bought and sold on the Bitstamp exchange. It is also one of the safest crypto exchanges in the industry, and the team behind Bitstamp are making constant upgrades and developing improved security measures on a regular basis. Bitstamp is trusted by more than 4 million traders worldwide and caters to beginners, professional traders, as well as institutional clients. So if you are interested, be sure to open your Bitstamp account today to enjoy cost-free trading and high-yield staking on your favorite cryptocurrencies. And that is our overview of Bitstamp. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comment section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.